Welcome to a new video, and I hope you're all doing great and feeling your best. Our good friends over at Phones to Guatemala were kind enough to send me these new headphones. They're from the brand known as Black Shark Open Air, which I actually have right here in my hands. I have already started the process of testing them out, but you might wonder, who are these headphones really for? It is actually quite simple. They are designed for people who want to game seriously, because thanks to the reliable wired connection, you get super low latency. You can connect them to a Windows PC, a Mac, or portable consoles. For example, this one, even a PlayStation. It's easy. Just plug and play. And that's it. You're good to go. But what else do they offer? They also have Bluetooth connectivity, especially considering their price range. I want a pair too because they're comfortable and offer a totally different design. Look, I'm going to show them to you, but first, check out this color I have here. Look how nice it is. I love it. That's the first thing our heart tells us. Okay, but what's going on here? Now, take a look at this. Usually, when you see them designed like this, you might feel like they're not going to deliver high quality audio performance, but it's actually quite the opposite. It features truly impressive and deep bass. And over here, we have the main power button. And right here, we have a little LED light sensor that clearly indicates to the user if the device is currently on or off. We also have its USB Type-C port here. Here's the microphone. Yes, it's that little hole. Over here, we also have the pause button, as well as the volume up and down buttons. We also have noise cancellation, meaning when someone calls us, if there's a lot of noise, the other person won't hear it as noisy. But noise cancellation won't really work for us because they're completely open. And that's it. What else do we have over here? The brand's logo. The material is honestly pretty high end. We also have the option to extend or shorten our headphones. Over here, we also find the ear cushion, which feels, well, premium. And just like that, here's our little cable. If it becomes necessary, we can certainly take them all apart for you. And that's it. That's what the headphones are like. I really like them. And then we can also rotate this depending on where your ear is. And that's fine, folks. Over here, we also have a specific area with various numbers, right? And that is exactly how they are going to work for us. Here is our main box, and we have high-quality Qualcomm aptX HD technology included for the audio. We also have hi-fi, and over here we can see it says acoustic design, open ear, ultra-long battery life. Of course, since there's enough space here to fit a huge battery, and on both sides, so you can share them. We also have a hi-fi grade sound in terms of high quality. It's true, folks. We also have aptX HD audio and wireless dual mode, it says. I mean, it's on another level. And we have noise cancellation, just like I mentioned, called CVC 8.0 for calls, and that's it. Now let's go ahead and take a moment to unbox the next one. Inside the box, it comes along with its user manual, and we also have our charging cable included right here too. As you can see, this specific one is a USB-C to USB-A cable. I would have liked if it had come with another cable, USB Type-C to USB Type-C, like this one. Look, I took it from a fan of the same brand, because that one does have USB Type-C on both ends. Why? Because that way I don't need to use an adapter, but now you can just use any kind of USB Type-C cable and that's it. And here's our pair of headphones. Look at that. They are so sleek and stylish. What an absolutely beautiful color. Oh, check this out. They're awesome. Seriously, they look really cool. These are gray, but I don't know. I'm more drawn to these ones. But it's up to you which one to choose, these or those. This material is like the pads that come with small headphones. It's exactly like that. Yeah, that's the material. All right, what's your favorite color? Tell me in the comments. Okay, when we're gonna turn this on, for example, I mean, we're gonna power it on. So I'm gonna go ahead and turn it on because that's why our friends at Phones sent it to me, so I can show it to you, just like this. Heads up, when you wanna connect it to another device, you have to remove it from the current device. All right, there it is. And what I'm going to do is look for it here. I'm going to disconnect this and let's look for it. Two are going to show up, right? Let's proceed. There they are, both of them. Look, just like I told you. Here they are, both connected. I don't know which one it is, guys. And that's it. I've got it connected now. I'm going to go ahead and play a song. Let's see here. Yeah, it's this one that's playing. Now that's some sound. Then over here, we're going to go to this. And just like it says here, look, aptX HD sound. It's true, guys. At least here, it can show me in the Bluetooth settings area. What else does it offer us? All right, if we want, at least here on my device, which is a Xiaomi, we go to settings, then to sound, and right here I can still modify the sound. I leave it on Dolby Atmos, but you can also set it to Xiaomi sound. It works really well for me here. I can leave it like this on Rock, but you can adjust the settings here, and that's it. You might be wondering, does it have app connectivity? Well, unfortunately, the answer is no. They don't actually have that connectivity, because if we take a look at the official Arsenal app from the Black Shark brand, I already have the app downloaded right here on my device. At no point does the specific model of these headphones appear in the list. This simply means it's not available for this pair, right? I hope that maybe in the future it will be available. Now, once the headphones are successfully connected to Bluetooth on our mobile device, right here in this specific control area, you can easily increase or decrease the audio volume. And right here we have a dedicated button to pause your music. I can pause it, look. There you go, paused. Let's go back again. We can turn up the volume, right? There it is. We can turn down the volume, right? We can skip songs, right? By holding down the volume up button. What? There's the next track. Again. Done. To go back to your previous songs, simply use the volume down button. Now, watch closely how it works. It really works quite well. If we hold it down, or rather, if we press this specific button twice, we can activate the noise cancellation feature. Just remember, it only works for phone calls, okay? And that's it. In this particular situation, we really do not have the benefit of low latency or any advanced features like that, unless we decide to connect these headphones directly to our mobile device using a cable. Now, if we ever reach the point where we want to sell these headphones to someone else, we just need to go through the simple process of unpairing them from all our current devices, and that is pretty much all there is to it. When they are not currently paired, we can also connect them using the cable, right? That is actually how I noticed it, folks. And they have to be turned on, okay? With the light on, so they work. We go and plug them in, and here it will detect that they're already connected. Look, it just popped up. Our cable's connected, sound effect. It immediately prompts us to select a sound effect. And as you can see, I can turn up the volume. And here it already shows that our headphones are connected. Here, in the same way, you can equalize it however you want, and honestly, they do sound loud. I want you to pay attention. I'm going to disconnect it from here, and now I'm going to connect it to a console. See how easy it is? I'm going to connect it right here. It has a USB port here. Look at that. I plugged it in, and it says, look, BlueShare Open Ear. That's it. Now it's connected. Just like that. And that way, you'll also be able to connect to your devices like Mac, Windows, or a PlayStation, as long as you have a USB Type-C on both ends. Why? I don't know why the brand sent us USB-A. And that's it. That's how our headphones work. Now that you understand the way our headphones work, let me emphasize to you that if you're gonna listen to music, the deep and powerful bass really does sound absolutely great. Here you really can hear the bass, the highs, and the lows. If you don't like it, please consider tweaking the settings a bit, and that's it. You're good to go. When you want to play in low latency mode, just plug in the cable and you're all set. Want to play on a PC? You can do that too. Want to stream? I don't think the microphone is its strong suit, right? Because we don't have that microphone here and we can't really place it over here. It's just not its strong point. However, the sound is actually really good, and honestly, I like it a lot. The battery life is exceptionally impressive too. I've been using it continuously all day since yesterday, and it still hasn't completely run out of power. Yeah, I've really liked it, and my first impressions are that it passed the test, folks. The design is very comfortable. I don't know what other brand is going to come up with this same design, but they're really good. That's it for now. Don't forget to subscribe, give it a powerful like, and many thanks to our friends at Phones. Here's the price for you, considering that this product really did pass the test. Subscribe.